like the people. Something a little bit sneaky today, right? Someone has been very busy over the quarantine period, and they have dug into something that I've wanted to get into for ages. We've actually been caught by a fucking lady as well. What are you doing over there? Nosy, busybody. But basically, I'm not too sure what this goes into, but my research tells me that this may actually link up over somewhere to Fort Amherst. It may just be a little bit like a random bunker, it could be a lookout, it could be for storage, it could be absolutely anything. But like, you've got cars are not coming as well. Ain't also the best thing when maybe you might have the police turning up. Right, let's get in there and I'm going to have a look over.
Oh, the car stop.
Yes.
Yeah, let me walk round. The car stopped.
If anyone comes, just chill. Right, so there we go.
What is it?
Right, it's just like a little air raid.
Okay.
It's just like a little tiny air raid shelter.
Nothing much here.
It's one room.
Oh, you in?
This is what I was hoping.
There's nothing here.
Look at this. Look at the dome on it though. You got Ninja on her way in. Oh, Cuz, did you get through that?
Yeah. That would have been the toilet or something. Yeah, toilet.
Yeah, I reckon that was the toilet.
Yep. You got the light above there. Or behind it.
Just that second name, did you just get through that by yourself?
Yeah.
Is it only little though?
Is that it?
It's a tiny little air raid shelter, yeah.
I will take a few frame pictures. But I might not.
Oh, you got the concrete cap up there. That's stopping it from up there by the ground. What, there would have been a door here. Look, you got the old hinges. Oh shit, sorry, I've ripped you off. I didn't mean to do that. Right, let's place it there. As I say, people, this one, I've walked past this for so many years.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the old original light fitting that.
Yeah, that's in the other toilet too. 3 toilets, isn't it?
I've been wanting to get into this one for so long.
And it's only this.
It might only be this, mate, but see this, Gus?
This is
See where you are? See this, the way it's all perfect, mate.
Yeah, mate.
You
air raid shot this cuz.
you don't have my appreciation, mate.
I know.
You want big tunnels.
Dad,
Yeah.
what does this lead to? It looks like it's a house.
That it would have been this way, darling.
Entrance?
Would have been another entrance down. So this, you would have walked down like straight into it, because where we are, opposite, you've got loads of houses for the military.
Yeah.
So the military just would have more or less, like, a siren would have gone off or whatever.
Yeah, let's just say this quick. See all that twig and branch down there? How the fuck did that get there?
Mate, you know, like all this, cuz,
Yeah.
it's been here for so long, like, look how rotten it is.
Yeah.
Like, look.
You're telling me that's been here for fucking 60, 70 years?
Oh, mate, that's been there for years, cuz, look.
You got a bracket there on the
No.
wall, Dad.
World War II, yeah?
You got brackets
ended.
there?
World War II ended 80 years ago. You're telling me that's been there for over 80 years? That would
I don't think it would have been because of where we are, because of Fort Amherst.
It could have been open for a
Because
bit
of Fort Amherst, literally round the corner, people. It ain't been empty for that long. But it definitely got capped off. I've lived in Gillingham for bloody hell since 2002, and this has always been sealed. Like, always. There has never been a way in, as far as I've known.
Dad.
Apart from when this, the convert or covert or whatever the bloody hell it is. As soon as this virus hit, yeah, someone got to town a little bit thick spot and got in here. But Still another amazing little gem, people. I love these little places. Even if it's not big, it's still history.
Yeah.
Right, so there's still a past there. You would have had a family down there at one point, just all taking refuge. I mean, imagine that, just coming down here with your kids, people. I mean,
You got the brackets down there. Look.
it's nuts.
There's all history to this.
Look, you got the bracket.
Yep.
Check it. See if there's any. Like,
You could
wires
maybe they might have had like bunk bed or
That's what I was thinking.
something
But
across
then
it.
again, it's...
What's it like? You got like
It would have been more benches,
Carpet
wouldn't
or
it?
some
look a
sort.
really old-fashioned carpet. No, that's just falling. I'll put that back to normal. Let's put that back. But yeah,
This has all been sitting here for donkeys. Years.
as I say, this is. Oh, you got your air ventilation on there. God, it's got a big slug on it.
Yeah, I'll touch
Oh,
this one.
he's not the best looking slug.
Yeah, he's been down there too long.
I don't think that slug's got many dates. But yeah.
Shower over it.
Yeah, amazing little place, people. Absolutely amazing.
Hey, Dad, I'll do one like paint.
See, for this kind of stuff as well, it's like you come in here and you're like, oh, it's only a room.
Yeah.
But to
It's
me,
got history.
to me, this is history, mate. I love it. I absolutely love it. This is my passion.
Oh, Phil, look. Why is this one?
If I ever become a millionaire, I'll tell you now, people, if I become a millionaire, I'll have my own set of tunnels.
If I became a millionaire,
I definitely would.
I'd have brain fault.
Yeah, I'll probably buy a brainful, but then I'll dig tunnels. I love things above, but I love things underneath. Underneath for me is just there's so much history. Well, you got to think of,
It's the unseen.
you never know. In this place, yeah, you probably could have had a little family this side, like I don't know, Mrs. whatever with Bob the Builder, and then over that side, and then you got Mrs. whoever with Jackson the Builder.
Look, you've got some kind of drawing here, but
You never know. It is amazing.
look what drawing. But
Let's have a little
Probably a bit
yeah,
new.
old pencil.
I don't know.
Right, I've got 3 black widows above my head coming down.
You mean headphones?
No, I swear down there's 3 black widows.
Ah.
3 black widows above your head. Where?
Yeah, I swear.
Where? Let's have a look.
Up there in the square area.
Oh my god. Yeah,
They're cave spiders, bruv.
What about the one at the top right there, that corner?
Yeah, it's a cave spider.
You're telling me the one with the black back?
Yeah, it's a cave
Red
spider.
and that one there.
You in? Cave spider.
Story
blast. It's a cave spider.
Yeah, I do want to get a bit of light painting.
Right. Nisha's going to set up her tripod and all that and get everything going, I think. There's people out there. He's on a paranoia trip.
Dad, look up there, there's drawing on the wall. It's really old, Dad.
Is it because we got caught before we come in?
Basically, yeah.
Right.
Now I'm all paranoid.
Dad, what's that there on the wall?
You'll get used to it, mate. You won't. Look, Nisha over there, look.
Nothing
Please
but
don't shine your light.
See Nish, look at
I'll shine
Nish.
mine.
Look at Nish.
I'll
She's
shine mine.
laughing it off.
She don't care.
No, she's
I feel
laughing
like-
it off. She's
What, the
not
police turn
laughing
up, that's all right, I can take my name and details, don't they?
No,
She
it's
loves
not.
it.
The thing is, it
But yeah,
will
absolutely.
get a lot quicker if police get caught, which is a downfall. But it'll be preserved for longer.
Absolutely amazing little place. Right.
But look, there has been drawing it, but so much effort to get out, isn't it?
Go on, you.
Alright, guys.
Go on, Nish, you go next, are you?
You and I'll park in my bag. Oh my days, this spider's nearly pulled on my hair.
It's alright.
Like that and nearly had both different.
Nish, how many spiders have you seen in the past?
Sure.
Go. Operation get the hell out of here before the police get called.
Oh, so we shut off in. That's more white.
I say, people, it's not really much, but it is a nice little gem.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Oh, ow.
Don't make me laugh, I'll drop it.
Don't drop it on me, my fucking foot will get fucking snapped.
It's only very thick rubber.
Fuck off, I had to climb in that and out that by myself, lifting that thing.
Where's my bag?
Left it.
I'm so ready for it.
Right. Yeah, only a short little video, people, but definitely a truly lovely little gem, and that it's still something about history. It's still in my fucking local neighbourhood, and as I say, I've been wanting to get in this for so many bloody years. Oh, I really wanted it to hit off to King Basin, but obviously, what's going on?
I fell.
You fell.
Yeah. I fell.
You fell.
I've got the stupidest little bit.
As I say, I really wanted it to get King Basin, but obviously that weren't the case. But nice to be have a bit of fun with my daughter and my cousin.
No, that's
So
You can work on the treadmill.
yeah, look at them. They're having great fun. Right,
Yeah, mate.
on that note, people, like, subscribe as always, do you know what I mean? Have a bloody good day and take care of yourself. Give this video a thumbs up and all that, do you know what I mean? All that kind of jazz. But yeah, look after yourself, take care, and I'll be back with you soon.